Good evening. I believe today is October the 29th. It is 8:19. This is Brother Marcus or Marcus Cage coming to you from the laboratory once again. Long time no here. Hopefully everything is going great for you. I wanted to give you all a little bit of insight concerning this entrepreneurship training that we're doing. There's been many promos per YouTube concerning this training, and we've been doing a lot of free giveaways, asking different questions, trying to pierce your mind as far as your critical thinking is involved to move you forth in the things that you desire to do in your life. This entrepreneurship piece consists of entrepreneurs, of course, who I define as entrepreneurs who work for or underneath or in tandem with an organization. In order to work effectively with any organization, you have to know the vision and the mission of the organization, and your vision and mission has to be submitted to that to the mission and the vision of the organization that you work with. And that's one thing, one misnomer or a myth that I want to dispel is that you work with an organization. You don't actually work for an organization because you co-labor with an organization, and you yourself is also an organization. As Pastor Julius will tell you, you are an organization. You are a DC or distribution center. But to digress from that point, I wanted to give you some insight concerning the entrepreneurship program, and one of the components is autohotkey. I'm not sure if you ever heard of autohotkey. You can always Google autohotkey. It's a scripting language that allows you to automate tasks. And at my particular location, there are many responsibilities that we have. It's a lot of administrative work, and it's a lot of work per se, working in tandem with people. And what I come to find out is that when you're able to identify problems and bring solutions, it minimizes your daily workload per se. However, each individual is responsible for a great load of administrative tasks, and anything that an individual can do to minimize administrative tasks can free them up to think freely, to identify issues that people have on a one-on-one basis. Because it's about the people. It's really not about the administrative tasks. If we can identify the issues, we can minimize the administrative computer input that we have to do. So AutoHotkey came up in my train of thought per my mentor Peter Gwynn in Canada. He really assisted me in building these things, and he actually built these scripts for me and is training me on how to build scripts. And I'm doing a different research concerning how to build these effectively and how to use them in my life and in my career. So I want to give you a tidbit of insight concerning this training, this entrepreneurship training. This is in tandem with what we provide as far as being an entrepreneur, which is an individual with an entrepreneurial spirit that works with an organization. So my particular training is going to consist of me quickly running you through things that I do Monday through Friday and helping you understand how these things can help you be more effective in the things that you do. So the script was called Marcus, but to activate the script, I have to type in menu. So that's the first thing I do. We spell menu what? MENU, correct? MENU, enter. So these are the emails that I'm responsible for on a daily basis from 1 to 13. Now, excuse me, from 1 through, I would say, 8 are the emails that I am responsible for every day. These are a minimum 8 emails that I have to shoot to my colleagues every day to effectively communicate with them as far as individually what I desire to do and accomplish the goal or the mission and the vision of the organization. So we have 001 is the CDP evaluation. Excuse the lingo, this is a language per organization, but you can customize it towards your organization. 002 is the center score. 003 is the CPP mentoring email. 004 is community service email. So these are all emails from 1 through 8. These are all emails that I'm responsible for. Let me erase these and bring the focus on the reminders up. Now, every day at your particular location, I don't care if you are employed by Walmart or you're employed by some logistics company, the stuff that you do every day, these are what I call reoccurring tasks, and reoccurring tasks can be automated. They can be automated per electronically, or they can be automated per any type of framework that you want to type up, any checklist that you would make. So that means that you minimize your thinking in accomplishing these tasks because you do them every day. These things that you don't even have to think about doing, these are things that can be done without your train of thought if you only put them in a framework on a piece of paper or you automate them electronically. This allows you to quickly train people on what you do every day so they can focus their brains on identifying problems and coming forth with solutions. And that's the key. So 0 through 13, Monday through Fridays is what I do every day. So if I'm at home, like tonight, and I want to remind myself on what needs to be done Monday, let's say today is Sunday, and I want to have a fresh start of momentum on Monday, I type in 009, and these are the emails that I'm responsible for on Monday. Let's erase these. Now we go to Tuesday. Today is Monday evening. I've already pulled up my email, my Yahoo, my personal email, and I've typed in this script, menu, MENU, enter, and it gave me everything that I do from Monday through Friday. Tuesday, I want to remind myself on what I need to do. So usually what I'll do is I'll pull this up, I'll pull up my email, my personal email, and I'll type in 010, which is 10, and these are the emails that I'm responsible for Tuesday. I email myself these things, or I email them to my phone, and these things remind me what needs to be accomplished on Tuesday. Let's say it's Wednesday. 11, 011. CDP evaluation email, and I need to submit my articles. My articles I do by Thursday. I want to submit them a day in advance. Let's do Thursday. 12. Well, Thursday is a more of a communication day pertaining to emails. I have student individual scores that have to be done, the center score, email, time card, email, and pre-arrival calls for students. Lastly, let's do Friday, which is 13. 013, TARS, PCDP, input, and case notes. These are all reminder scripts that I don't have to think about what I have to do on a daily basis. These things are already automated and programmed for me through the keyword menu, enter, that has been built in script using autohotkey, enter, 01, 01 through 13. So this allows you to automate your tasks according to what you do with your particular organization. The first step is identifying what you do Monday through Friday, and then the next step is making sure that what you do Monday through Friday is effective according to the priority of your organization. First is your organization's priority, then it's your individual departmental priority, then it's your individual priority according to the goals that you have set that you want to accomplish. So any questions that you have for me, I'm free and available. You can reach me per email at cagemarkets@yahoo.com or on my cell phone at 815-714-9690. We'll have some type of other training probably within the weeks to come, depending on what I see in the marketplace. I'm here to assist you and to help you prepare you forward in your career progression through the discovery of your true identity. Blessings.